Hello, this is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance. This is another life insurance episode. This one is about how to make sure that your life insurance is tax-free for your loved ones, for your beneficiaries. And here is the really wonderful thing. This is going to be one of my shortest videos and blogs ever. The way that you make sure that your life insurance is tax-free for your loved ones is it's the type of life insurance that you have or that you're getting that determines that. Now, if you get a universal whole life insurance policy that is going to potentially grow, and by the way, they can be quite expensive, particularly down the road, the cost will actually increase on those policies. But if that's a policy that's going to grow in the face amount, it's going to grow, yes, in the face amount. If it's going to grow in that, then you're very likely going to see some taxation for your loved ones. However, if you're going with kind of your standard, the typical whole life insurance package, or your typical term life insurance, really any term life insurance package, those will not be taxed. You can also, there's no tax write-off on your payments, so it's not taxed on either side, so plan ahead with that. Feel free to verify with your accountant, your CPA, bookkeeper, whoever does that work for you. But with your term life insurance policies, whether they are return of premium or whether they're not, whether they're just your run-of-the-mill normal policies, mortgage protection policies, no taxation and no tax write-off. And then again, also with your typical whole life insurance, permanent life insurance policy, the typical burial insurance policies, those will not be taxed. So the one thing that you just need to verify is this a universal whole life insurance policy or not? Feel free to give us a call. We can help you determine that. Usually within 30 seconds on the phone, we can help you with that. And of course, if you'd like to get a policy, that's where we really shine. So just give us a holler and we'll help you out however we can. So I hope this has been helpful. Nice little short and sweet video. If you have any other questions, reach out to us. If you want us to provide videos on certain content, answer certain questions for you, please just reach out. The best way is to send us an email or call us. You can email us at hello@protectwithinsurance.com, or you can call our office at 928-323-0933, and you can ask a question, request that there's a video for it, and we'll be happy to do that. All right, take care. Bye-bye.